Hey folks, it's the AP guy here again today, and today's topic: will an air purifier help you with your indoor air quality if you're suffering from MCS or multiple chemical sensitivity? Yes, it may help. In our last video we discussed off-gassing, which are bad gases or chemicals being released from construction materials, cleaning products, or flooring like tiles, laminate, and carpeting. Understand, a traditional air purifier will attempt to draw the air in through the carbon filter to capture the toxic odors, gases, or chemicals. And the actual HEPA filter inside the air purifier is responsible for capturing particles like pollen, dust, dander, mold, spores, and that's pretty much it. And also, most air purifier manufacturers will advertise removes VOCs or formaldehyde, so automatically you think this is going to help you with MCS. Well, it may or it may not. And once again, before we dig into this, please subscribe and leave your comments below. I value all your information, so if there's anything else that I've missed out on, please leave the information so we can pass this along. This is a short video, so I don't have the time to give you all the information that I know. If you have questions about how to resolve your personal situation, even send me an email to contact@airpurifier.blog, contact@airpurifier.blog, or even just go to the website www.airpurifierblog.com. Okay, so back to carbon filters. There are more than one type of carbon filters. You have the one with that's a thin layer, otherwise known as a carbon pre-filter. They'll help you with light odors like smelly laundry, trash, wet pet, musty smells, dirty basement smells, and things of that nature. The other type of carbon filter is made in a granule form, which is usually produced by heating a product such as wood or coconut shell to a very high temperature. The high temperatures or heat is used to activate the carbon, and then after activation, it's usually mixed with minerals like zeolite or potassium to help its effectiveness in absorbing the toxic odor. But here's the conundrum. The actual gas or chemical off-gassing has to actually reach the air purifier in order for it to be effective. So if your off-gassing is constant, and this off-gassing is going to take a while to get to actually reach the air purifier, then the chemical or gases will always be in your air, even if it eventually reaches the air purifier. So because of this constant cycle of off-gassing and then eventually getting to the air purifier, there'll always be something in the air that you may pick up and possibly react from. Will an air purifier help? Well, I can tell you this much. It's going to be a lot better than not using one at all. I just want to reiterate that I'm not a scientist, not a medical expert like I've said in the past. This is just information I'm passing along to you from speaking with the thousands of customers I've had in many years of working in this air quality industry. I guess we can eliminate the air purifiers with the carbon strip or carbon pre-filters. You need activated carbon for this process to be effective. And that's only if you want to go the air purification route. I also mentioned in a previous video that airing out the house, opening the windows, opening the doors, turning on the fans, and allowing the off-gassing to dissipate will also help. But it doesn't make sense to run an air purifier during this process, because then you'll just be purifying the outside air. You may also want to alternate the process. So air out your house, like I said, open the windows and the doors and turn the fans on, and do that for a couple of days or several days, and then turn the air purifier, close everything up, turn the air purifier on, and run that process for several days and keep cycling that until it starts dissipating. Eventually it's going to be, you just have to be patient with it. And lastly, when you decide on an air purifier, make sure you get one that doesn't off-gas. Yes, you heard me correctly. Air purifiers may off-gas. Most air purifiers made of plastic or any man-made material composite has the potential to release gases into your air, even though it should be cleaning your air. I recommend going with an air purifier that has a metal outer shell and has powder coating. Do not go with one that's not, or that's painted, because paint will off-gas, powder coating will not. This type of air purifier is usually found in the more expensive models. You're definitely not going to find an air purifier designed to help with MCS from one of the cheaper manufacturers from overseas, if you know what I mean. So that's all, folks. Please subscribe and leave your comments below, and see you next time.